Hi there, I'm Veronica. Welcome to STASH. You're probably here because you are interested in learning how to knit. Well, you are in luck, my friend, because we've been teaching people how to knit for 7 years at STASH, and today we want to teach you. So what I'm planning to do is go over the materials, show you the project, and have some fun. Let's get started. I want to show you the project that we're making today. This is our cozy cowl. This project is fantastic, not only because it's an adorable, cute, squishy cowl that you will get to wear after you make it, but also because it's been designed specifically to give you the skill set that you need to learn how to knit comfortably. We're going to be teaching you how to cast on, the knit stitch, the purl stitch, basic pattern reading, as well as how to make these buttonholes, which aren't as hard as you think it is, as well as the cast off, and we're going to teach you how to even weave in those ends and get those buttons on. And when you're finished this lesson, you'll have this project all to yourself to squish and to love.
For this project, you're going to need some super bulky yarn, one set of 12mm straight needles, one cute little pair of scissors. It's always handy to have a smaller needle. You're going to need a little stitch marker, as well as a darning needle, and of course, 2 big old buttons.
Now that we've gone over the materials that you need to use, what we want to talk about right now is where you're going to get those materials. So we have a couple of options. One option is actually for you to purchase them on our website at stashlounge.com. We have a really great kit put together that is specific to this project, but we understand that's not for everyone. The other thing that you might want to do is go to our website, download the pattern, right there, and then we will provide you with a swanky little list of all the things that you need and you can gather wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Next, I want to talk about how you can use our video series to learn how to knit at STASH. So what we have done is created little tiny videos for you to watch while you're working through your project. Here's how it works. Our pattern, whether you got it in the kit or whether you downloaded it from our website, has little cues in it for you to watch each video in sequence so that you can stop whenever needed and then proceed again when you finish that part of the project. That way, you can go at your own pace and end up with a cozy cowl of your very own. So, if you have the materials, if you have everything that you need, then you are ready to get started. Here's the link.